guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is just going to be a quick little tutorial. I just recently got the Heidi Swap, like the hand punch. I already had dies that make a memorydex, and then I also have a cut file on my Silhouette Cameo of a memorydex and easily as well on my Cricut. So I was like, why do I need this hand punch? And I passed up on it. I didn't want it. I didn't need it. But now that it's circulating again, it keeps going in and out of in stock and out of stock. So it went back in stock thanks to Alicia Wagman here on YouTube. She gave a heads up and I went and purchased it. But anyway, I am going to make a memorydex to match this box. So this is for by Sweet Tea and Grace here on YouTube. She is actually hosting a challenge where you have to make a embellishment box and then a memorydex. So I'm kind of just going to show you my process. I have not used this My Mind's Eye Gal Meets Glam collection. I kind of have like this 6x6, a couple of the 12x12s, and a couple of the embellishments. So I was like, you know what, let's use it. I really want to use stuff that I haven't used. So this is my box, and then I used the Hobby Lobby girl. She's the the shaker tag, or she's a big giant sticker, but her sunglasses are actually like a little shaker. I just stuck some doily, a little flower doily, some of the die cuts. I used this little MAC resin piece. I was gifted to this in an embellishment box. So cute. And look at all these little flowers and stuff I clustered. I did glitter glass on the edge of this thing, and then I stitched it before I assembled it. But I want the memorydex to match, like I want it to go together. And I figured why not use this, because it goes so perfectly with this collection. Let me take this out. Okay, but anyway, I guess I'm just gonna find a piece of paper from this collection to put it on. Oh, that's kind of cute. I don't like how she's white and this is like an off-white. That's gonna bug me. I mean, I could use the exact same paper, but I don't need it that matchy-matchy. Do bobby pins. Again, that's off-white. Maybe I'm going to do this heart one just so there's no white on here. Notice a lot of people, when they're making their memorydex, they just have this little base for the memorydex, and then you can add a shaker to that. You can add anything. So basically you can get like a piece of ephemera, the shape of it, and that could be your memdex, and then you just have the memorydex base. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Luckily on this little Heidi Swap thing, it has the mark lines of like how long a memorydex is. So I'm just gonna, and I don't want it giant. Probably want it to the top of these. So do you get what I'm talking about when you see the memoryDexes that just have, this is actually too big. I think I want it even shorter. Okay, like so, but I am going to cut another piece because I do want to stitch this piece, and then I want this as 110 pounds, so it's nice and sturdy on my, like on a spinner. Okay, so I have my two pieces, and now I'm just going to stick it in my little punchity punch. Wait, better do it the right way. Wait, where's the holes at? Okay, so this is the right way. Thought I was doing it backwards. Line it up on those little marks, and ta-da! But if it's just one piece, it's really flimsy, so I'm going to cut two. And like I said, this back piece is 110 pound, which does cut out on this. So basically, there you go. I have my little base, and I can add anything and everything to this. I'm gonna stitch around the edge real quick. Okay, so right here, I just stitched around the edge, and now I'm just gonna glue it down on this bad boy like this. I don't know if I should just use hot glue. Maybe I can. Are you guys, crafting more? I know a lot of cities, countries, towns, you name it, kind of is on lockdown, like self-quarantine, just because you don't want to get sick, especially the elderly or autoimmune. I have an autoimmune disease, but I don't consider myself sickly, so I guess I should avoid crowds. But I'm not really going anywhere. I haven't been, besides shopping, and my baby stays asleep the whole time. Okay, so now I have like my super sturdy, you can hear it, it's not really flimsy. And I'm just going to glue her right here. Literally, she's going to be her own memorydex, you guys. Unless somebody has like a restriction on the height, you know, you can just do this with any piece of ephemera shape. I wonder if I should stick a like a flower behind her. I wonder if I should mimic the front and put this little lipstick. These are from Hobby Lobby. And I can put it like right here where she's literally... Okay, I'm gonna glue her down. Ain't no turning back. Okay, she's on there, and I'm gonna glue this little lipstick on. I think she's putting it on. She's fancy. And look at this, a little cute memorydex. I am going to add a handmade bow. These are a bunch of handmade bows from my challenge that I hosted a while ago. Oh, this is cute on here, huh? Make it like an extra fancy bow. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. Good, I found a bow. Found a bow on the first shot. Let's straighten this out. It looks a little bit mangled. Okay, cute. And I know I got several of these. Whoever made them, I can't remember. I had like over, oh my gosh, I don't even know, 200 entries. But look how cute. I'm gonna stick it right there. Kind of just, oh yes, perfect. Does this, it's like this was made for this memorydex, you guys. How cute. So look, a cute little memorydex whipped up real quick. Obviously you put your info on the back. Oh yes, it fits perfect right here. Little shaker. The sticker from Hobby Lobby. And it matches this. And then I did want to add a little, I made this little like trim right here. I wanted to add a gold bow to this. Look at these, go perfect. Back to my bow drawer. I do want to add like a gold bow. It might be too big. Let's see. Oh, this might look good. Does that look good right there? Yeah, I'm going to use him. Or maybe this foam one. No, it's too big. Okay, I'm going to try this little like full leather one. So nice having those bows on hand, you guys. Like, I mean, bows aren't, they don't take that long to make, but you know, hey, it can be time consuming. So I'm going to glue it down right here. So yeah, I'm just trying to, you know, get some crafting time in because I do have all 3 kids home during the day, which I don't mind. I don't like waking up early. I hate packing lunch. Like, I loathe all that stuff. So I don't mind my kids home. They can stay home all year, except for I don't want to have to teach them. So that's why I don't homeschool. Okay, so look how cute. Just turned a little tassel. These are actually a bunch of trims that I have in a big bucket of like stuff that was wrapped, packaging, like, you know, I save all those little ribbons, and so I was able to make a tassel with it. It's got red and pinks and laces in it. Just added a handmade bow that I did not make. You guys want to see the inside? So I kind of stuck to the like beauty-ish like theme on the outside. Did little eyelashes made with love. I cut apart those little stickers with the lipstick and a blush brush. Oops. I did little gems in this kind of pink, and then this like gemstone style pink. Little hearts. These are actually from the wedding section of Hobby Lobby. I did these cute little paper clips. These are actually from AliExpress. They're in a rose gold. It's a coffee cup, and then the little envelope with a heart. Little puffy eyelashes, just like I did right here. These little tassel charms are actually like metal tassels. These are from Hobby Lobby, like last year. And then these little heart brads, but usually get crappy scissors and cut off the back, and then you have a gold metal embellishment. That's what I use them for. And here I just have like little like little acrylic resin pieces in here, or like flat back buttons that are girly, like a curling iron, scissors, a little bow, nail polish. Over here, some girly color tassels, some foam flowers, and then these are like from my Martha Stewart punch. I punched out 1 billion of them with scrap paper. So I have a big pile and tons to gift. So she could just easily pop that on something and make a little like bow. And then right here, did I already mention paper flowers? But yeah, paper flowers, pink paper flowers. So yeah, that was my quick little project share and video response. You guys have until the 31st to get your entries in. I will leave her information down below, and I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye guys.